Good morning, babies. One baby and a poofy baby. Good morning. Take a fish. Here you go. There you go, Munchkin. Oh, that's a big piece. Here you go, sweetheart. Yeah. Two birdies. Here you go, baby. Mm. It's okay. Birds are just cats with feathers. Birds are just kitties with feathers. You're just kitties with feathers. There you go. Duck. So cute when something little ducks. There you go. Two babies today. Come on. See, if you eat from my hand. What you doing? Eat your fish. We also have visitors up there waiting. The blackbirds. They will come when their babies hatch. They come and they grab hot dogs. And they take them to the nest. Here, baby. He's walking around with his piece of fish. Here, sweetheart. Come on. I think it might rain here today, too. We've got the clouds going. But it's another, here. So when she gets it. See, the best way to get your fish is to come and get it from my hand, and then nobody can steal it. Here you go, honey. Here you go, honey. It's okay. Thinking. See, they all left because they got their donation. Oh, there's one. He caught it. Oh my God, you didn't see that. Wow, that was cool. He wants another one. Two. And then one more. One more. Nope, he'll take it. And then he's going to take it to the nest. It's very cool. So I have to put out extra hot dogs now. Here you go. To help feed babies. Your neighbor gets mad. Okay, honey, come on. Here you go. Get another one before he comes and chases you. Here. Just here he comes. creep up and chase you now. Go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Here, honey. You missed a piece of fish. 2 pieces of fish got missed. This one. And this one over here. We're gonna go get it. Because apparently you don't like fish. We don't want it to get wasted. Okay. One more piece. A piece of fishies. Go get the fishy. There you go, baby. Here you go. There you go, baby. Okay, we got 2 pieces left for the video. So I'm going to give you that one. And then we're going to say, see you later, guys. And yeah, I've got to get some more hot dogs. But everybody have a great day. I'm going to go do a spark thing again today.